Hello everyone! Today, we're taking a comprehensive look at Chapter 2 of the ICSE curriculum, the Human Skeletal System. We'll explore why this framework is so vital for our survival. The human skeleton is an internal framework that consists of 206 bones in an adult. It's a remarkable piece of biological engineering. First and foremost, the skeleton provides support. It forms a rigid framework that keeps the body upright and gives it its distinctive shape. Protection is another key role. The skull shields the delicate brain, while the rib cage acts as a cage for the heart and lungs. Bones also provide a site for muscle attachment. When muscles contract, they pull on the bones, which act as levers, allowing us to move. Inside our bones, the body stores essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which can be released into the bloodstream when needed. Did you know bones are also blood factories? Red bone marrow, found in certain bones, is responsible for producing red and white blood cells. The skeleton is divided into two main parts. Let's start with the axial skeleton, which forms the central axis of the body. The skull includes the cranium, which protects the brain, and the facial bones that form our features and hold our teeth. The vertebral column, or spine, protects the spinal cord and provides the main support for our head and upper body. The rib cage consists of 12 pairs of ribs, and the sternum, or breastbone, forming a protective chamber for our thoracic organs. Next is the appendicular skeleton. This includes the bones of the limbs and the girdles that connect them to the axial skeleton. The pectoral girdle, made of the clavicle and scapula, connects the arms to the trunk and allows for a wide range of shoulder motion. Our arms consist of the humerus in the upper arm, the radius and ulna in the forearm, and the intricate bones of the wrist and hand. The pelvic girdle, or hips, provides a strong base for the lower limbs and protects the organs in the lower abdominal cavity. The legs feature the femur, the body's longest bone, the patella, tibia, fibula, and the bones that make up our ankles and feet. Bones come in different shapes. Long bones like the femur are for movement, while short bones like those in the wrist provide stability. Flat bones like the ribs or sternum offer protection, and irregular bones like vertebrae have complex shapes for specialized functions. Where two bones meet, we have a joint. Joints are essential for flexibility, and they come in several different types. Some joints are immovable, like the sutures in your skull. Others are partially movable, allowing for limited flexibility, like in your spine. Freely movable joints are the most common. Ball and socket joints, like in the shoulder, allow for movement in all directions. Hinge joints, found in your elbows and knees, only allow movement in one plane, much like the hinges on a door. Pivot joints allow for rotation, like turning your head, while gliding joints let bones slide over each other for subtle movements. To keep our skeleton strong, we need a diet rich in calcium and vitamin D, combined with regular weight-bearing exercise. From providing support to enabling movement, the skeletal system is a masterpiece of nature. Master these basics, and you'll ace Chapter 2. Thanks for joining today's lesson. Keep studying, and I'll see you in the next chapter.